let's learn how to dedupe records. This can be done with leads, accounts, or contacts. Basically, go into your module, click on the three dots, and then select Dedupe Leads. Whenever you get the choice, you can choose from the email addresses, the company name, the phone number, mobile, or street. Anything that has more than one, for example here, email, that is the same, then we will go in and click on Find and Merge the Duplicates. And just understand that it will be prompted to resolve the conflicts after you choose this option. It'll give you a message saying that it'll take a few minutes. If you have a lot of data, it may take a little bit longer. It's already done, so we just click on Resolve Now. It will bring up a list of duplicates. And in this case, we only have one set of 2 emails that are the same in the system, so you can click on View. It will tell you what is in record 1 and what is in record 2. You can go through and choose which you'd like for it to keep, and then the other it will discard. So if you'd like to keep the company name from this one, the first name from this one, or you could go in and keep the first and last name from this one. Whatever you choose will change here on the master record. The 2 emails are the same, the layouts are the same, the lead source, you can see this one has one, this one does not. So we'll just keep those. And then you can notice that the dates are different. This one was first entered January of 2019. This one March of 2019, which is today. And then the city and state. So we'll just leave all of these the same. All right. Depends on how many fields you have in your module. I have quite a few. And then you click Merge. Once you do that, you understand that you cannot undo this once it's done. And then that's it. If you had more, you just go to the next one. Then when you go back into leads, you will only see the one lead because you've combined everything into one. And that will be this lead here. In order to keep from having multiple leads in the first place, there's an option for that. Basically, you'll go to your settings under modules and fields. In this case, I am going to go to my leads module and click Duplicate Check Preference. It's going to check duplicates on converted leads and then save. And then we want to specify which field. So I'm going to go in to this particular layout, and then I am going to choose the email field and do not allow duplicate values. It will make it unique. So if I go in, I'm going to save and close, and I try to enter a new lead with the same email address, email, all right, save, I get a message. It says duplicate values are not allowed. And then you can also choose to go straight to the record that already exists in the system. And here it is. So that, my friends, is how you prevent duplications, and then if you already have them, to merge them into one record. So again, you can do that with contacts as well, and also accounts.